hello guys welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. In today's video, we're simply going to look at a full tutorial on how to use Bybit. Okay, we're going to look at a full tutorials on how to use a Bybit account from the beginning to the end, from A to Z. So all you just need to do is to be attentive, watch this video carefully from the beginning to the end, so that by the end of this very video you gain value from it. And you must watch this video clearly and understand it. So without waste of time, let's dive into it. If you open a fresh Bybit account, you're going to see something of this nature. Open a fresh Bybit account. You can see this is hub, this is P2P, this is launch pool, this is invite, this is Bybit N, this is card, and also this is more. This more in the sense that if you want any other features that is not currently available in this particular screen. Okay, so the moment you have your account verified, the first thing you just need to is to navigate yourself to this P2P transaction. This is where you can actually buy. Okay, this is where you can actually buy and sell. Okay, this is where you can actually buy and also sell. This is the best and the simplest way you can use to fund your own Bybit account. Okay, you can go through here, look at it carefully, look at whosoever is suitable for you to transact with your own particular volume and rate, and transact with that particular person. The moment you transacted successfully, if you transacted successfully, the money will be credited to your account. And first it will be credited to your what? To your funding account. Then you can transfer it from the funding account using this option. Transfer it from the funding account to the what? To the unified trading account. All right, to the unified trading account. So in the unified trading account, that is where you can actually start trading. Okay, so the moment you involve in trading, you can look at this place carefully. This place, if you see it green here, positive green, that is you are gaining profit. That is the market is moving in your favor. But if you see this particular place reading negative and with some red figures, it means you are losing the trade. You must understand this. And this particular figure of yours will be reducing. And if you are gaining, like this place is green, this particular figure of yours will be what? Will be increasing. There will be increment on it. All right. So let's go carefully. So having funded your account, you can navigate yourself deep down here. Deep down here, you can see this is the home where we are currently. This is the market where you can see a lot of coins. This is trade. You can trade here, and this is your asset. This is also a feature trading where you can perform a feature trading. All right. So there's difference here between spot trading and also a feature trading. I've done some videos in the past about spot trading. If you want to trade spot, you can trade with your own particular of money. Maybe you have 100 USD, you trade with 100 USD only, and you make your profit. Just that this process can be very slow and the profit addition can be very low. But using feature trading, if you have 100 USD, that means you can automatically trade with 1000 USD. Because of what? Because of leverage advantage. Because you can use what? You can use leverage in it. All right, so always pay attention to this. So the next thing you just need to do, having known this, you come to choose a particular cryptocurrency coin that you really wish to trade. Maybe you wish to trade BTC. You can see BTC here. Maybe you really wish to trade BTC. So all you just need to do is to come to this particular place to click on buy. That is, you have already funded your account with your own particular size or volume of USDT. Okay, if you click on buy, you can come to this place now. Your available USDT will be here. Okay, it will be here. It will be showing right here. Okay, but currently I do not have available USDT. All that I have is currently on trading. All right, so if you come to this place, you're going to input the volume of the particular coin, of the particular USDT you want to use to trade BTC. So whatever you input here, the equivalent will be appearing here. Let's say now we're using 100 USD. Let's say we're using 100 USD. You can see that 100 USD now is now equal to what? Equal to 0.001490. You can see right here. That is the equivalent you're going to get. All right, this is the equivalent you're going to get. So the next thing you just need to do is to navigate yourself down here to set your what? Your TP and SO. Your TP/SO. This TP is the take profit. This SL is the stop loss. All right, it's very simple. Coming to this place now, you can click on this place. Let's say now currently your USDT is at what rate? It's at 67. And you said, okay, you want to sell this BTC when it's what? When it's equal to 70. You can come to this place and write 70 here. 70,000 USD. When it's equal to 70,000 USD, that is when actually you really want to sell this particular coin. When it's 70,000 USD, you can see when it's 70,000 USD, you will be given a positive of plus 4 point what 302. You can see. Then okay, likewise you can set your stop loss. I've made some video about this stop loss and also take profit. I'm going to leave those video at the description section of this very video so that you can go through them and also understand what exactly we're talking about. So coming to this place now, you can say, okay, I would like to stop my loss when this particular crypto coin get to 65. Maybe get to 65. Okay, maybe you get to 65.500. Okay, or when you get to 65,000. Sorry, when you get to 65,000, then all you're going to lose is just this minus 3.4. I hope you're getting this clearly. Okay, if you don't have any questions, drop it in the comment sections and I'll attend to you ASAP. Meanwhile, as you're watching, let me know if you gain value from this particular video, and also do it to subscribe if this is the first time, like our videos, and as well share our videos. Okay, so this is it. Then the next thing you just need to do is to proceed to click on your buy, having set all of this. Okay, if you click on your buy, normally it's going to give you the interface, the preview of what exactly you're doing. Okay, you see your full preview, and then you're going to click on buy and your buy. Okay, all right, that is for spot trading. All right, so that is simply how you can trade. And again, you need to look at top here carefully. If you see this place, this is a favorite. You can see this place, this is hot. You always lose it at these hot sessions, because these hot sessions shows you the particular cryptocurrency coin that will be currently doing well, or that have been currently doing well, or that people are currently investing on them. This place will show you the new cryptocurrency coin, in the sense that the ones that are babies in the market, the latest in the market. This gainers will show you the particular cryptocurrency coin that have been doing well in the past 24 hours. That's what this one shows you. And this losers will show you the particular cryptocurrency coin that have been losing in the past 24 hours. Okay, this turnover shows you the turnover of a particular cryptocurrency coin in the past also 24 hours. Always make sure it's at this spot, unless if you want to trade derivatives where you can use leverages. Okay, when you can use leverages to trade your money. When you have a little money like 10 USD, you can use 10% of leverage and trade with 100 USD. Okay, so that is for this. Here shows you the market, and here also shows you the trade. There's also what we call earning. In this earning place, you can use your cryptocurrency coin, your USDT, without trading. You can gain profit without trading. All you just need to do is to navigate yourself to the earning sessions. You can see it. Going to the earning sessions, you can see how you can invest in a particular cryptocurrency coin of your choice and earn something reasonable for yourself without a waste of time. All right, you earn something reasonable for yourself without a what? Without a waste of time. So if you go look at it carefully, there's what we call a flexible earning and also fixed earning. There are a lot of them here. You can just take a look at it carefully and see whatever you need me to talk about. Drop it in the comment sections and I will simply talk about it. I also have a particular video that I've spoken about these earning sessions. I'm going to drop it to you at the description section as well. Then you can look at it in order for you to understand what exactly is going on in there. If you still have questions after watching all of this, drop it at the comment sections and I will personally attend to you ASAP. Okay, this place is called the trade. In this place, you can trade any particular coin of your choice. This is a platform for trading and this is the market. In the market, you're going to look a lot of cryptocurrency coin that you can be able to use to trade. You can go to always click on the hot sessions because that's what I always talk about. The pre-market, you can also trade on here when a particular cryptocurrency coin is about to be listed into the cryptocurrency market. It will available here and you can invest on it prior to the listing. This new here, as I said earlier, shows you the particular cryptocurrency coin that have just been listed. These gainers also shows you the particular cryptocurrency coin that have been top from the past 24 hours. Okay, so this is the simple overview about this particular cryptocurrency coin called Bybit that you can look and understand how it works. Let's briefly look at this what is it called, derivatives. So in these derivatives you see that it's no longer buying or selling, but it will be long and short. Let me see, taking BTC as an example as well, you can see it is what? It is long and also what? Short. It is long and short. You can understand this. So if you want to buy, it means you are taking long here, and if you want to sell, it means you are taking short here. But one of the fascinating thing about this particular derivative is that even though the particular cryptocurrency coin is declining, you can still make profit. And if a particular currency coin is inclining, that is adding up, is making progress, you can still gain profit. It depending on the decision you made while trading the particular cryptocurrency coin. All right. So you can see here is called the leverage. This is the leverage I've been talking about. You can use 10 leverage. If you want to trade with like 10 USD and you have chosen a 10 leverage, it means you are using 100 USD to trade. Okay, it means you're using what? You're using 100 USD to what? You're using 100 USD to trade. All right. So coming to this place, let's say I want to trade with a 10 USD, right? Using leverage. Okay, if I'm using leverage now, that is in this place, I'll be imputing 100 USD. Okay, if I impute 100 USD here, I'm going to come down here to set my take profit and loss. Always important, always set it. Then in below here, I'll be getting the quantity of the particular cryptocurrency coin of the particular BTC I'm buying. If I'm using 1000, then still it will also be showing me based on my leverage. Okay. So these are actually very simple to use and also very easy to understand. But if there's anything you don't understand here, please do well to drop your question. The moment you place an order, it will be showing here, and also your positions will be showing here, and your assets, what you particularly purchased. Like now, if you click on this asset, what you particularly purchased will all be appearing here. You can see I purchased those one. I'm currently holding TA, Gaib as well, holding Peppercoin too. Some are gaining, some are minus, some are gaining. Holding Mavia as well, and also the K coin. You can see this is asset. This asset shows what I'm actually holding. Okay. So if you want to transfer your fund from unified trading account to funding account, all you just need to do is to use this transfer button. Okay. is to use this transfer button. It's very simple to understand. Use this transfer button. Let's go ahead. You can see this will now give you the opportunity to transfer from one particular place, from unified trading account to from funding account to unified trading account. And if you want to change it as well, just click on this and it will take one up and the other one down. It will swap their positions. All right, so as well, you can also convert particular cryptocurrency coin to coin of your choice by using what? By using this convert. So I do not wish for this particular video to be too long. If there's any question you just need to ask, or there's anything you want me to make a video about, just drop it in the comment sections and I will personally attend to you ASAP. So this brings me to the end of my class. Thank you so much for being with me from the beginning to the end, and I'll see you in my next class. Bye.